The bond formed between a metal and non-metal, usually that would be a ionic bond, right? Not necessarily all the time. Most of the time that will be a ionic bond, right? And if the bonds formed between a non-metal and non-metal, most of the time that will be a covalent bond, right? And here you see ionic covalent mixed bonding. So I told you why the electronegativity is necessary. Pauling's electronegativity is in order to find the ionic character. So how much the bond is ionic. So there only we can decide whether it will show the ionic properties or covalent properties, right? Ionic properties or covalent properties. So I am just doing an example, right? Taking MgO, right? So this is a formula, percentage ionic character 1 minus e to the power minus xa minus xb whole squared upon 4 into 100, right? So in order to find the percentage, we will multiply by 100, where xa and xb are Pauling's electronegativities, right? xmg and xo, right? So you see the electronegativity table, magnesium, it does have the value of 1.3, and oxygen, it does have the value of 3.5, right? So since it is a whole squared, whether you take xa is magnesium or xa is O doesn't matter, right? Even if you interchange these two, you can find the answer. So you can put xa is equal to 3.5 and xb is equal to 1.3, or else you can put xa is 1.3 and xb is 3.5, doesn't matter because it is a whole thing squared. So at the end, that will form a positive value, right? So that positive value divided by 4 multiplied by minus will be minus value. So e to the power minus is a 0 point value. So 1 minus 0 point will give you a 0 point value, right? So always this ionic character value will be in between 1 and 100, right? So MgO 3.5 minus 1.3 whole squared upon 4. So if you take your calculator and count, that will bring 70.2% ionic, right? 70.2% ionic. So this is the ionic character of the MgO, right? So this is how we find the ionic character by this formula. Substitute these two values, the Pauling ionic negativity values, then you will find the ionic character, how much it is ionic, right? So MgO is 70.2% ionic. So in case if you have something from this side, right, maybe the first line, and something on the 7th line, you will have more ionic character, right? Because here and here the difference is so high, right? So you will have more ionic character.